there is some other commands which can be display the information of the running processes, top, htop, ps and lsof. List of the open files. List of the open files means when the process is running, so which particular file has been opened or executed this process. PS command display the detailed PS process information. Stop command and top command is used for resource utilization, and stop is an alternative tool for the process resource utilization. I am using here the top command. When I am running the top command, you can see the lots of the files are consuming the lots of the information. Got it? So here the PID is a particular ID, process ID. Here is the user who have executed this process. This is executed by the root user. This one executed by the busy user. This is executed by the busy user. And also it will display the consuming the CPU, consuming the memory and the time. How much time, and here is the command, which command, like xorg, xorg. Xorg means a graphical interface. bbox client and other information is here, so which is using the biggest memory, biggest CPU is a means graphical interface, right? So similar you will get some information, but yes, of course you will press the Q to come out or press the Ctrl C, quitting the process. Another is some user friendly, you will get the information some user friendly, so you can run the stop command which is not installed, so I am going to install this one. Installing the command is not a big task because it will take a very low time because very low size. Okay, now run the stop command is user friendly and something looks like, yeah, interesting, like first CPU 24.8 utilization, second CPU 28.8 utilization, 30.5 utilization, memory utilization, and the swap memory utilization is 0 KB, available is 975. So what is the swap memory we will discuss later on, and here you can see the CPU, memory and the time. You can use the particular filter, you can use like filter, you can use CPU, high CPU using which command is using the high CPU, and if you want to check the memory, highest memory using, so you can use the, there is some short are available, you can use the shorts, and also you can short this by using the PID, and here the input output information also available. Okay. So press the Q to coming out, and there is some other command like PS I have told you already, where you will get the information, and lsof command is used for particular file, particular memory, and these are using some particular files. Okay. So you can write this files, this output you can redirect in a file. So later on you can check out which particular file is using how much memory. So guys, you have seen how the top command is working. But what is the top command? Top command is dynamic display of the resource utilization, how much CPU memory is utilized. Shows the processes consuming the most CPU or the memory. Interactive. Upper portion is a system uptime, CPU and memory summarize, and lower portion is a dynamic process list which is going to be changed dynamically. So I have shown you already about the stop command also. This command is similar as a top command, but it is user friendly tools, displaying the resource utilization and also having the color coded output, so it will be some interactive, customizable and dynamic display. PS command, I have told you already how you can check the PS command, display all the process by using the -e command, E option. F and P option is displaying the PID command.